Oh, hello. You're probably wondering what I'm doing. Well, I am going to be installing air horns. Because these are a little quiet. So we're going to install these. See what they sound like. Yep, they're loud. Okay, yeah, that's where we're going to be installing. Okay, so my plan is to cut these two wires and run a yellow wire here and a black wire here, and then just reconnect them, and then I'll run the wire back through there and I'll hook them up down there. So that's what we're gonna do. Okay, so now I have them hooked up, and I have the black wire hooked up to the green one and the yellow hooked up to the red, and then go back in there and they come up here, which eventually I'll cut them to the right length and then hook them up to the horn, which will be mounted in there. So now we can put all this stuff back in, mount that on. Alright, so now I have it all hooked up. It wasn't gonna go in the spot that I had planned before, but what do you know? There was a nut welded to this plate down below there that this 1/4-inch nut could screw into. I just had to cut a metal piece to extend it out so then I can mount it right there. And the wires go all the way down, and those are hooked up as well, so all 4 horns work and go off. All of them combined together, it is super loud. Yeah, that's definitely loud. Thing is, I had to take off this entire front part in order to get the horns, which is like a few brackets there. So now I gotta put all that back together, and we got ourselves an air horn. So yeah, for me that's pretty loud. So catch you on the next video.